Hello everybody. It's been a long time since I've been here. I don't know if anybody remembers me or not, but I'm back for I don't know how long. I got a lot of stuff going on, getting ready to retire, and I'm getting geared up for that. So today what I'm going to do, I'm not a very good drone pilot, so I thought I would give this a try. It's got little prop guards on it and such, so hopefully this will be a better experience than I had when I fell out of the tree retrieving my other drone. I needed to learn to fly the drone instead of the drone just completely flying itself. This one will do a little of both. This is a quick look at what's in the box. Got a quick start guide, the actual drone, a larger multi-language user manual, and a screwdriver, extra prop, charge cable. So let me get all this put together. We'll see what happens. Hey, today I'm going to take this little drone up in the air. I want to learn to fly, and I think probably starting at this level is going to be good for me. It's not very windy today. This drone will not handle much wind. I'm going to try to put it up in the air. It's got a little camera on it. You can't change the angle in flight, but you can change it before the flight. So I'll try to put this up and get a little bit of footage off of it, and we'll see what we got. Okay, and I don't know what I'm doing with this yet. Let's see. Looks like that starts the recording. So it looks like my video should be recording. Try not to get this in a tree. Oh, well, I guess when it senses that it hit a tree, it just shuts the motors down, and away we go. Well, that's good to know. At least I didn't get this one stuck in a tree. We'll try this again. I'll get a little further from the tree. Hopefully I'll get a feel for this. I'll keep it a little closer to me. Let's see. See if I can make this go the way I want it to go. Well, it seems pretty responsive. I really don't know what I'm doing with drones just yet. So I think if I've only got it in the tree once, okay, maybe this is a good starter for somebody else. And I'm sure with a little practice, I might get a little better at this. Okay, it's kind of going where I want it to go now. Got to get it in the air long enough to get a feel for it. This comes with 3 batteries, so yeah, it's not doing too bad. And then you have an emergency land button, so if something's doing something really goofy, you just hit this button and you hold it, and there she goes. If you just hit the button once, it lands. If you hit the button and hold it, it turns the motors off. Let's demonstrate that real quick. So if I just, now the first time I hit the button and held it, okay, let's get her back over here. Go up a little bit with it. Okay. Now I'm gonna hit the button and let it land itself. Okay, so if you just hit the button and hold it, it'll crash it. If you hit the button once momentarily, it will cause it to land. Depends on the urgency that you need to get it out of the air. But for somebody just getting started, I only got it in a tree one time, and it didn't stick. I like these guards. You could fly this inside if you had a large enough area. I will put some of the footage up here on the screen from the actual drone, and then we'll see if I got anything on my camera. I'm wearing an Insta360 Ace Pro on my hat, and see how this turns out. So I guess all things considered, even my neighbor's dog barking, it's got headless mode. It's got low, medium, and high. I just ran it on low speed today because I have no idea what I'm doing. As I learn how this thing works, I'll make another video on it. But I don't see any point in wasting your time with me trying to learn. So I get a few things figured out on this. I'll make another quick video on it and let you get a better look at it. If anybody's still here, appreciate it. I'm gonna throw a couple other videos up over here, and I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road.